Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporifii Learn. Now let's see, that is linear algebra important questions module 1, that is if they have given the set and all. See, I'll be explaining what are the questions that you need to focus, as I was not able to prepare the answers for this, and this is BCS405D subject. I hope you know, and only 20 hours or almost 18 hours is left for your examination. Please don't waste your time. Please do start preparing, like prioritize your modules and spend only 2 hours per module and all, so that you can easily prioritize module and the subject also you can score easily. And first try to solve all the questions that I have given. Please don't try to skip any of one of the question also, so that if you see what happens is 1 2, these two questions will be there, ab will be there. Here if you have a, here you don't know the question, here you know one question, here you don't know the one question, here this I had given in the video. Okay, you think that okay, this is not in video, so you have not studied this only, you don't know the concept also about this, so you don't know answer. But this was in video but you didn't study, means you will be regretting tomorrow while writing the examination, like thinking I should have studied that question, like remembering all the modules, you will be just thinking on the one question. So that should not happen, means you better try to do that. Okay, see, module 1 I have given the basis and dimension, and next is about the vector, and next is about the set of matrix multiplication and addition, and next is about the subspace and independent, linearly independent and dependent, whether to prove that only. And next is vector, subspace and linearly independent, basis and the straight line is a subspace, and in R3 find the dimension and basis, and define null space and 4 cross 5 matrix for the subspace R5. Okay, that for R2 R3, this is for R5. Next, if you see in module 2, that is about the rank nullity theorem, which is easiest of all. Next is null space, rank and nullity you have to see. And next is range space, kernel, rank and nullity of the linear transformation. Matrix you have to find out. And next is again the finding the matrix. And next you have to say whether the given equation, that is the transformation, is linear or not. Next is you have to define by the when they have given a transformation, you have to say whether it is a linear transformation or not. And they have given this, find the formula, and you have the formulas. And next is you have to show whether it is non-singular, and if it is non-singular you have to find the inverse of that. Okay, next is a module 3 is about the eigenvalue and eigenvector. They have given a matrix. And next is Hamilton theorem for Cayley and Hamilton. And next is Jordan canonical forms of a linear operator. And next is again this question again for this different graph like matrix I have given. Next is about the eigenvector and eigenvalue, characteristic equation of a matrix, vector space for the minimal polynomial, and again canonical and canonical. After that eigenvalue, eigenvector, and they have given matrix, and f of x means you have to find out f of a is equals to 0. That is, when you substitute the value of f of a is equals to 0, you have to show that. And that is f of a means matrix value, if you substitute, you should show that it is 0. And the Jordan canonical forms of a polynomial and with minimal polynomial, and they have given it as t minus 5 whole cube. As I was not able to prepare the answers with PDF, I am just displaying the questions. Please do try to study all these questions. Next is the inner product, which is very much easy concept. And next is gram method. And next is about the least square solution you have to have. And next is about the, if it is subspace layer, like real inner subspace, whether W is subspace of V, you have to see. And next is orthogonal basis. And next is gram method, you have to again apply. Least this again I have shown. And vector, unit vector, and gram orthonormalization. And next is orthonormal basis. Next is QR decomposition. And next is about the vector space of all polynomial with inner product for these. And next is Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization, that is orthonormal, to find the basis of that, and by the spanned vector. They have given vector 1, vector 2 and vector 3. And next is about the module 5. If you see, that is module 5, diagonalize the matrix, and A8, find the SVD, that is singular value decomposition of the matrix. And next is the change of variable x is equals to py, that transforms the quadratic equation they have given. And next is orthogonally diagonalize the matrix. And next is about the find the SVD, and again find the minimum and the maximum values of q of x, and x bar t x will be equals to 1, sorry I, that is identity. And next is orthogonality of the matrix and find its inverse. And next is svd again, but is very much important in this module, that is singular value decomposition. And next is find the matrix of the quadratic form. And next is decide for or against positive definiteness, how many is there for the matrix. And next is Hessian matrix, and diagonalize this. And next, the question is about the convert the quadratic form into a non-cross product form and make the change of variable x is equals to py, that is of the quadratic form, that transforms the quadratic form. I hope you have got this. I'll be displaying all the questions again. You can see from module 1 also. Module 1. Module 2, you can take the screenshot and start preparing, so I'm not wasting your more time just by saying anything in the video. Please do see this video and you can start your preparation. That's all, module 3. And next is about the module 4. And next is about the module 5, last module. I hope you have understood everything, what are the concepts that you need to focus and what questions you have to study and all. And that's all I wanted to convey in this video, and that's all for this video. And make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye. And please make sure to like the video and then watch it, so that it motivates me to make more videos also regarding this. And if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. Until next video, bye bye.